Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, in this video, I'm going to be telling you, showing you all my small pillows and stuffed animals that I have. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one I have is a fox. This fox I got from Secret Santa that we did in school. So this little foxy. The next one is this bear that has a hoodie that says, "I heart you," and his hood goes up. And my best friend gave this to me, and I loved it. I loved it ever since. And then we have this one. I got this one when I was a baby. Sorry about that. And then my next one is this one, which, if you don't know who it is the Grinch. Everybody has to love the Grinch, and if you don't like the Grinch, this is a little heart. If you don't like the Grinch, I don't know. How don't you like the Grinch? It's just the funniest thing. I got this one for Christmas. It's supposed to light up in the dark, and you turn that on, but batteries ran out. We have to get new ones for it pretty soon. Next one I got for my birthday this year. That one I got for my birthday last year. Christmas last year. I got this Dory pillow. It's the softest thing. It's like the softest pillow. There's no other words. Then the next one I have is this pillow. I won this one at the fair 2 years ago. And then I just got the zero pillow that I got from IKEA. Then I got this one for Christmas 2 years ago. And it's just a devil emoji pillow. And then this one, which is the... Sorry, my wrist started hurting as I put this on. This is a pink fox. I got it for Christmas 5 years ago. Still in pretty good shape. I haven't wrecked it yet. Good for me. Then I got this one. I just put a nail polish in there to make it look all cute, because I got nail polish in its stocking. So that's this one. And I have one more. Just wait, I'll be there. This one is just a regular bear that my brother got me for Christmas this year. But as you can see, my dog already got to it. So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's see if we can get this video to 50 likes. I know that seems like a lot, but I'm pretty sure we could do it in time. Love you guys.